Good day, and welcome to Market Watchtower News. Today, we have a compelling lineup of news stories to keep you informed. We begin with a significant development in international relations. The Chinese Defense Ministry issued a warning regarding U.S. arms sales to Taiwan. But that's not all. We'll also dive into the dynamic world of global cooperation. We explore the strengthening ties among developing countries within the BRICS framework. And later, we turn our attention to the biotechnology field, with Moderna's groundbreaking expansion in Shanghai. Stay tuned till the end as we delve deeper into these stories. Remember, subscribe to our channel, enable notifications, and watch until the end. For more captivating news stories, in-depth coverage and thought-provoking analysis. Let's begin. U.S. arms sales to Taiwan push the population of the island to disaster. The official representative of the Chinese Ministry of Defense, Tan Kefei, announced this on Wednesday. Tan Kefei made this statement, commenting on U.S. State Department approval deals to sell ammunition and provide logistical support to Taiwan. According to the spokesperson, China strongly opposes U.S. arms sales to the Taiwanese region of China. As Tan Kefei pointed out, the American side ignores the concerns of the Chinese side, grossly interferes in the internal affairs of China, and deliberately exacerbates tensions in the Taiwan Strait. A defense ministry spokesman said, "The People's Republic of China demands that the American party observe the principle of one China and the provisions of the three joint Sino-U.S. communiques. Stop arms sales to Taiwan immediately. Renounce any form of U.S.-Taiwan military collusion. And actually, fulfill the promise not to support Taiwan independence." As Tan Kefei pointed out, United States intentions use Taiwan to contain China, as well as attempts by the administration of the Democratic Progressive Party of Taiwan achieve independence by force are unrealizable illusions and doomed to failure. People's Liberation Army of China, always on the alert and ready to resolutely defend the sovereignty and territorial integrity of the country, firmly uphold peace and stability in the Taiwan Strait, emphasized the official representative of the Ministry of Defense of the People's Republic of China. BRICS, strengthening cooperation among developing countries. BRICS is the most important platform for strengthening solidarity and cooperation between developing countries, and the primary mechanism representing the countries of the South, embodying the sincere expectations of developing countries. Wang Yi, head of the Office of the Commission of the CPC Central Committee for Foreign Affairs, stated this in a telephone conversation with the chief advisor to the President of Brazil, Celso Amorim. Both sides expressed their readiness to implement several vital agreements fully reached by the heads of the two states, and strengthen all-round mutually beneficial cooperation to constantly give a strong impetus to the comprehensive strategic partnership between China and Brazil. During the conversation, the parties also focused on strategic coordination about cooperation within the BRICS framework. In the context of centuries of change, the world hopes to hear more voices from BRICS and expects the bloc to play an even more important role, noted Wang Yi, who is also a member of the Politburo of the CPC Central Committee. He added, "China and Brazil are responsible for the efficient operation of the BRICS mechanism and strengthening its reputation to make a new contribution to the promotion of a multipolar world, economic globalization and democratization of international relations." Celso Amorim, for his part, noted, BRICS plays an increasingly prominent role in the current situation in promoting peace, stability, and development. He added, "Brazil attaches great importance to the role and influence of China as a significant power." According to him, Brazil is ready to strengthen communication and coordination with China, jointly support the work of South Africa as BRICS chairman in 2023, to ensure the successful organization of the BRICS leaders meeting this year. The parties also exchanged views on the current situation in Ukraine, expressing commitment to constant joint work for a political settlement of the crisis. U.S. biotechnology company Moderna's Shanghai expansion, investment in mRNA drug development. American biotechnology company Moderna signed an agreement on strategic cooperation with the authorities of the city of Shanghai, eastern China, planning to start investment activities in mainland China for the first time and establish an mRNA-based drug development portfolio in the Minnan region of Shanghai. Held on Wednesday in Shanghai signing ceremonies, the company announced cooperation with the City Committee for Economics and Informatization and Minnan District Administration in the field of biomedical investments, research and development (R&D), Production and commercialization. The first investment project of the company. In mainland China, it will focus on the needs of the country's market. The company will establish a portfolio of new mRNA drug development in Minong, will conduct clinical trials of new drugs, and apply for the supply of its products to the domestic market, to subsequently produce and sell it in China. Moderna is currently registered in Minong District, own Biotech branch, and it opened its Chinese headquarters there. The company plans to establish several subsidiaries, which will be administered by the Chinese headquarters, and engage in the development of investments, R&D, sales, production, etc. In addition, the company intends to build a factory in China. As one of the world's leading developers of mRNA vaccines, Moderna specializes in cancer immunotherapy, is engaged in R&D in the field of drugs based on mRNA, and technologies for the prevention of infection with viruses. As we wrap up today's news, we want to hear from you, our viewers. Your thoughts and opinions matter to us. We encourage you to comment below and share your perspectives on the news stories we've covered today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our future videos. Thank you for joining us today. We appreciate your continued support and engagement. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay connected with Market Watchtower News. See you soon.